What's up, y'all? I'm so excited because Girl Plus God officially has its own offices and a warehouse, and I'm gonna take you on the empty warehouse tour today. And yeah, for those of you who have been with me from the beginning, you know, from literally Teespring to shipping shirts in the basement. I cannot believe that I am here. God is so good. You know, I'm gonna take you through the whole process with me and setting this thing up. It is still under rehab right now. Stuff ain't really done, but I wanted to show you how it looks right now, okay? Right now. So let's get into it. So here is the outside. This will be my office. Yes. And I cannot wait to see Girl Plus God on this door out here. When I say, listen, God, we not about to play with your name. Period. So here is the reception area. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this space, but you will see it when it happens. Like I said, they are still getting the space ready for me. So there will be new carpet, or I might rip this up and do a floor, depending on how I feel. And they just painted the walls white, but if you know me, you know they may turn pink. So we shall see. This will be my office. And again, you know, I'm gonna paint, make it real cute, and there will be baseboards. There's a whole lot of like M&Ms or something in here. M&Ms, Skittles, something somebody was stepping on. And this will be the filming room slash conference room slash my assistant's office slash whatever else we need. All right. And then this is the warehouse. And I'm really excited about putting this all together. My vision is to put like scriptures on this wall, something really dope over there. And yeah, I'm gonna just kind of show you as we get it together and get the walls right and get everything tight. This is the bathroom over here. They still gotta clean this up because not quite right. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the lights off now. So that is the empty warehouse and office tour. I am just, this is the key that they have right now, so I gotta change the locks, but I am just literally right now so full, so just like, God, you have truly blessed me in this business. And again, if you have been with me for a long time, you know it's been a long journey. So if you are starting your business right now, just know it may not happen overnight. It may take you 5-6 years like me to get into your office, the warehouse, where you are jumping out and saying, you know what, God, I'm ready for all that you have for me. So I'm a little nervous because this is a lot. This is a lot. And I'm like, we really in here now. It's really serious. But I decided I don't want anybody else to have control over my business. I don't want anybody else to be fully shipping my products. I want to be way more hands-on this year and for years to come. So I'm excited, but still scared. But you know, I'm gonna take you on the journey and let you know how we get moved in, show you my team. I'm hiring new people. Like, this is crazy. This is nuts. This is the nuts. I'm gonna really be so excited when I get this together. Get their name off this door, but yes. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on IG. Follow Girl Plus God on IG. And I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.